Bet I make you feel some type of way, when I give it to you night and day.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jay, and for all my new viewers, hello, welcome to my channel. Today is just basically a girl talk, something that I really don't do too much. Just all overall hygiene and health type of products and skincare regimens that I have actually found to really help me through my day-to-day that I like to use. So I was like, why not share this with my YouTube babies? You know what I'm saying? So if you are new and you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below. And while you're at it, just go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new videos upload. Alright, so let's get into it. So the first thing I want to talk about is vitamins. Vitamins. I take the Nature's Bounty Women's Multi Gummies. These are so good. I really love them. Let's see, what do they? So it's basically just the overall general health vitamins. Like, I feel like every girl or everyone should always take your vitamins, because those are things that some things we do not get in our foods. You know, we could get them here. So I love taking vitamins, and this is in the raspberry flavored gummies. 80 comes in a bottle. They're really good. It supports, it says it supports energy, immune, and bone health. And it also has collagen in it. And you guys know what collagen is. That also supports your skin, which, you know, of course we love beauty products, but in order for us to be able to like heal our skin or have good skin, we have to start with the inside out. So I love taking things that has collagen in it. It really supports skin health and all that good stuff. I also take the, which is also by Nature's Bounty, I also take the hair and skin and nails, This has the biotin in it, and skin and hair. Basically, this is skin and hair nutrition as well. And this is in the flavor strawberry flavored, and it also comes with 90 gummies. These are almost done. I've been taking these religiously, and these are so good. That's why I believe I just pop them. I typically take like 2 of these a day. It has antioxidants, vitamin C and E, naturally sourced colors and flavors, guaranteed quality, laboratory tested. So yeah, so these are so good, guys. Like, I literally take these every single day. Also say this is the #1 brand for hair and skin and nails. So yeah, and I can tell, like, my nails have been like growing like rapidly. Don't look at this one because this one broke. But yeah, I can definitely tell that as far as it working, it works. I love these right here. And I also like to take cranberries, soft chews. These are kind of like gummies as well. These do assist with urinary tract health. I really don't have any urinary tract UTI issues or anything like that. But cranberries are just generally a great source of, just a great source. Like, really, really great source. Like, I'm going to give you some key benefits here of why the cranberries are such great health benefits. Just in general. So it treats urinary tract infections, of course. It also fights cancers, fights heart disease, helps kidney and bladder problems, prevents dental problems, promotes weight loss, anti-aging properties, improves mental health, strengthens the immune system, and relieves skin conditions. So cranberries, they're just all in all, it's just a great product just to have in your medicine cabinet, just to take. And also, if you do have issues with UTIs, which I know a lot of women do, taking this with yogurt and also lemon and lime water every day, it really, really does help to like flush out your system and clear out that UTI. I'm telling you, girls, that's facts, okay? That is facts. Alright, so that is it for my daily vitamins. But like I told you guys, that is something that you should definitely look into in taking your vitamins, because they're very, very, very important. Alright, so moving along to skin. Now, this is going to be, I guess, like crazy. I don't know if a lot of people do this. I recently started doing this probably about 2 years ago. I found it to be like lit and glistening skin, popping, you know, all that good stuff. So what I like to do is when I shave my legs, how I like to shave my legs, I love to use men razors first of all, because they are really good at really getting the hairs. Like they really do get the hairs really well. And I also like to use this. I'm no longer use shaving cream. I just find it to be kind of like pointless to use. I don't like using it. I feel like when I use the Johnson Shea and cocoa butter oil gel, it kind of like, it makes my legs soft. It really gets the hairs and all that good stuff. Hell, sometimes I may even use hair conditioner like on my legs. Like if I run out of this, which I try to keep this on deck, I will definitely use hair conditioner to shave my legs with, and it will leave my hair feeling, my legs soft and just freaking beautiful. Along with using this, after I'm done using this, I will apply this, the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant. Can you guys see that? I know my light's like so bright. The cocoa with pure cocoa butter in it, for dry skin and a natural glow. I'm telling you guys, this is like your plug for the summer. Stop using female razors. Men razors really do help with getting those hairs. I mean, you will get a nice, good clean with these. You know, you can also use these for your vagina areas if you don't, if you don't own a actual like clippers, which clippers are actually kind of like the best to get your down there. But anyway, that's another topic. So yeah, I love using these when I want to shave underneath my arms or my legs. So this is really good. Very good products to use for summertime glow. Okay, I'm telling you real ish right now. All right, so moving along to my face. Now, I totally believe that we as women need to take care of ourselves. It is very important. My holy grail, I live by this stuff. If I run out, if my husband even thinks he's about to come stick his little stinking fingers in it, we fight. It's going down in the household, okay? Because I love this stuff. It is It is coconut oil, which from Shea Moisture, 100% extra virgin oil. Coconut oil is the bomb, you guys. Like, it is the bomb. Let me give you some key facts on coconut oil, and then I can definitely attest to the benefits of it. Like, it really does work. All right, so it's so many benefits to using coconut oil. Like, it has a lot of benefits. I really love this stuff. It's a natural skin moisturizer, wrinkle reducer, natural makeup remover, which it really does. Locks in moisture after shower. It's a homemade toothpaste. Let me let you guys know, if you are dealing with bleeding gums, if you take like a finger or dip it into your toothbrush and you swivel it around on your gums, which I prefer you that you use your fingers and you just swivel it around on your gums, it really does help as far as fighting gingivitis and bacteria that's in your mouth. It really does help with that. It could also kind of stop the bleeding of your gums, but I would definitely suggest that you go see a dentist about one if you're having any issues with bleeding gums. Also, it is a personal lubricant. Now, for myself, I've never had to use coconut oil for a personal lubricant as far as like for sex or whatever, but I heard from a doctor, because I do work in a doctor's office, we talk about things like this all the time. Coconut oil is actually the best lubricant that you can use because it is definitely a natural source, and it really does alleviate dryness. So if you're dealing with any vagina dryness or anything like that, if you will put this and apply this in your vagina area, you'll start raining again. The waterfalls shall drop and fall. I'm just giving you secrets here. That's all I'm doing. That's what I'm sent to do here. So I really did hear that coconut oil really does help with vaginal dryness. If you deal with that, I do know for some women, like after your period, you may deal with like vaginal dryness, and you want to get it in after your period and stuff like that. Girl, just your husband, your man ain't even got to know. Girl, just go take a scoop of that. Put it all up and on and down, and then I'm telling you, he'll slide right on in. It won't be a struggle, but you won't feel no pain. I'm telling you, true story right now. True story.